everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with LEGO bricks. Today we're back in my workshop and I will be showing you today how to make a really fun carousel ride. And I'll show you how to make it and I will be introducing pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any point in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's get started! So we're going to start off with a nice big 16 by 16 base plate in this dark grey. You don't have to use this kind of big base plate if you don't feel comfortable about using it, but I'm just using it to give a nice solid support for our ride. You can even use a bigger one if you want to. And right in the middle we're going to stick a 2 by 2 round spinning base plate like this one, and on top of that a 2 by 2 round base plate in this light grey. Just stick that right on top in the middle. Now along the sides we are going to be using these 1 by 2 black jumper plates. We're going to use 4 of them over here and 4 of them behind it like so. Let me just find all the ones and stick them in like so. Now we're going to bring in these 1 by 8 standard base plates and we're going to stick them side by side, making sure that this is all mathematically correct and it's a good arrangement over here. Now in these sections where we have jumper plates, we are going to be making some bumps. So we're going to bring in 2 of these 1 by 3 slope pieces and a 1 by 2 stand base plate. I've just got this in blue. I'm going to stick them together like so to create a little hump. And I'm going to make another one just like that, like so. I'm going to bring this back and stick it into our jumper plates, and it will be perfectly centered. On these ones though, we just want to make it smooth. So we're going to bring in these 1 by 8 tiles. Yeah, that's what you call them, tiles. So now in the middle section over here we're going to attach a mechanism to make our ride work. So we're going to bring in these base plates, these 1 by 2 base plates with a Technic connector here, and we're just going to stick 4 of them sticking out of the round base plate over here. This kind of formation, remember to get it right like this, so it spins round. And what else are we going to do? Yeah, we're going to stick a 2 by 2 round brick on top like so. In fact, we're going to attach more of them. 2, 3 in this green, and on top of that a 2 by 2 round brick ball end like this, kind of like a globe kind of feeling. Now what else do we have to do? Yeah, we have to do all the special stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to make several stems coming out of the ride. So for our first stem, we are going to be getting this white Technic connector number 1, whatever this is, with a round hole in it. What we're going to do is we're going to get a 3 long Technic axle, stick it in, and attach a red spacer in like so. And we're going to make another one like that quickly, just the same kind of design like this, and to connect it to our ride we want to use these connector pins, these light grey ones, so it will be nice and smooth on this side of it. And we're going to bring our ride back and we're going to just connect it in here like so on the opposite side. Now we're going to make another version of what we've just done. Just we're going to be using these slightly different ones, these with axle holes in the ends instead. And we're just going to bring in a 3 long Technic axle and another red spacer. And we're going to do the same to this. But what we're going to do instead of using the grey connectors, we're going to be using these cream axle pins in this creamy version, so it will be loose just like that as well. We're going to bring this back and we're going to stick them into the pins, into the connectors like so, and we should have 4 stems reaching out. And as you can see, when we turn it, this raises and then it goes back down again. It's a little bit difficult because we haven't got the ends of the stems done yet. And for the ends of the stems, you can use whatever you like. What we're gonna do is I've already made some prefabricated carriages like this one. It's just a 6x4 standard base plate with stuff added on, but remember to add a brick with a axle connector in, like so you can stick it on here. Let's just stick that on, and there we go. That's one carriage done. Now we're going to bring in another carriage. I made one identical to that. Whoopsie daisy, I just broke it. let me just fix it again. There we go. Things will break when you try doing this kind of stuff. I've got another carriage like this one. I'm just going to stick it in here. And I've made myself a little special carriage to make the theme of the ride. Can you guess what it is? Roar! It's a dragon ride. So I'm going to just bring the dragon head carriage into here. And there we've done it. So there we have it. Our ride is complete, and all what happens is here is that I spin this and the carriages move up and down when they move with the special bumps. They stay flat on this section and then they bump up on the bumps, and you can expand this idea any way you like. It doesn't need to look like this. You can make other rides, bigger rides, smaller rides, any rides. And I've got a person over here, and he wants to go to Legoland. Then this is a perfect ride if you want to make your own Legoland. And yay! I'm on the dragon ride. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building! Here we go round the dragon ride, the dragon ride, the dragon ride. Here we go round the